Gravenhurst's Amazing Builders Club. I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. So, follow me into the Amazing Builders Clubhouse, and let's get started. All right, Amazing Builders, let's jump right in to this week's Building Challenge. This week, I challenge you to build a tower. A tower is a tall, narrow structure that is either freestanding, standing on its own, or is a part of another building or structure, like a church or even a castle. Some famous towers that you might know about include the CN Tower in Toronto, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, and the Leaning Tower of Pisa in Italy. Take a look at these real-life and kid-built examples. Remember, you can complete the weekly building challenge in any way that you can imagine and using any materials that you want. That means you could use Lego, blocks, household materials, craft supplies, recycled materials, materials you collected in nature, or real building materials. How you build is up to you. All right, Amazing Builders, it's tool tutorial time. For this week's tool tutorial, we're investigating the hammer. Hammers are a tool that we use to bang nails in. They have many different parts, including a head, a claw, the neck, the face, the cheek, and the handle. Some hammers, like this one, also have a grip at the bottom, making them easier to hold on to. Hammers are used with nails. Nails may come in many different sizes, but they have a couple of features in common. Most nails have a head and a shaft. The hammer hits the head of the nail and drives the shaft into the wood. Let's practice. I'm going to start by putting the pointy end of the shaft on the wood. I'll hold it with 2 fingers, grab my hammer, make sure I'm wearing my safety glasses, and I'll gently start tapping the nail. Once it's secured in the wood, I'll remove my hand and I can hit a little bit harder. Voila! Well, Amazing Builders, that's all I had for you this week. Complete the weekly building challenge and share your work. Upload a photo to the commenting section under this video. Create a post with a photo or video and tag the library. You could also share your work by direct messaging us on social media or emailing us a photo at library@gravenhurst.ca. I can't wait to see all of the amazing creations that you came up with. Also, remember to take a peek at the description for this week's video. You'll find additional information and resources pertaining to the weekly building challenge and tool tutorial. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new weekly videos. As always, Gravenhurst, I'm Jen, and I'm with you every Thursday at 2 p.m. with fun, open-ended building challenges and tool tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week.